Good day, everybody. This is Nell Carocco again, and I received a message or a comment from Mr. Sudki Zuraiki. Okay. He said, is there a way to keep all the light distribution for all lights on like the normal Dialux without the need to select the fixtures too? Okay, so if you're familiar with the Dialux regular, yes, you can turn on all the lights or the distribution image for the luminaires without touching the luminaire. Unfortunately, in Dialux Evo, okay, so let's open this one. If I want to open my distribution curve in this plan or in this project, I'm just going to turn on this show light distribution curves. Okay, but you can only see that one if I select the luminaires, like this one. Yep. And if you cannot touch it, I don't think there is a possibility to show it unless you turn on the control R, but it will just the line, and if it's top view, you cannot see it. Or you can go to the light scene and click on the fittings, but then again, you also touch it. So to answer your question, Sudki, yeah, there is no other way for the luminaire to be turned on using the distribution curve without touching it. So yeah, maybe the Dialux team will see this video and they might consider doing this Dialux regular to this Dialux Evo now. Okay, so Sudki, sorry, you need to touch it to open the distribution curve. Okay, so see you again on the next video. And if you want to learn more, go and visit my Udemy courses at www.udemy.com for advanced users in Dialux and Dialux Evo for beginners and other lighting design applications. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. See you again on the next video.